Mabuhay at welcome po sa Cubao Customs. In this video, we will be unboxing our first ever collaboration with another local artist na si Kevin Eric Raimundo o mas kilala bilang Kalbo. Ito ang tumindig keychain na mabibili ninyo for only 500 pesos each, wherein a portion of the sales will go directly to our chosen organization. The box design was based on the original tumindig artwork na ginuhit ni Kalbo. Sa likod naman, makikita natin yung mga logos namin. We have the hashtag on top and our social media handles on Facebook and Instagram sa ilalim ng box. Tara, buksan na natin! This is the basic version based on the original tumindig artwork. It's about 2.5 inches in height and weighs around 25 grams. Ang tumindig keychain ay 3D printed plastic figures and comes in different colors. Meron tayong red, blue, black, at bilang pagbugay sa ating mga Olympic athletes, syempre, meron din tayong blue. Each blind box will contain one random figure and each person can order up to 5 keychains. Para sa mga gustong umorder, send us a private message on Facebook or Instagram with the hashtag tumindig at tumulong to get instructions and payment options. We will only release 500 pieces of these limited edition keychains, kaya ano pang hinintay nyo? Panahon na para tumindig at tumulong.